In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Steam account profile public or private. So if maybe your account has been public and you'd like to go ahead and just change your privacy so that you can have some privacy, you can go ahead and switch your profile to private. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to do this, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile name here, and then once you're here, go ahead and click on profile. From here, go ahead and click on edit profile, and then on the left menu here, choose the option called privacy settings. Under this, you'll be able to see your current status of your profile, and as you can see, it is set to public. You are told here that when it is on public, your community profile includes your profile summary, friend list, badges, team level, showcases, comments, as well as group membership. And also we have these other elements that are associated with your profile that you can control individually. So if you want to go ahead and make it private, you can just go ahead and click on this down arrow here, and then go ahead and click on private. Once you click on private, the changes will be saved immediately. However, if you wish to change from private to public, you can also go ahead and just click on this down arrow and then change this to public. And you realize that when you change this, it might also affect some of these options. So that's how you can change your profile on Steam to either public or private. If you have any other question, can let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.